authentic versus replica video. Our replica is on the left with our authentic on the right. So looking at the two shoes, you can see that the shade of gray on this shoe is just a tad bit lighter than on this shoe. Also, when you're looking at your air bubbles, I'm going to bring the authentic right here up. Your air bubble on the inside should be gray, as you guys can see on the authentic. And then the rep is actually white. So that's one thing to look for. Gray versus white on the inside of the air bubble. Another thing is the tongues. A lot of times people just look at the tongues, but there are tongue fixes from what I know. I'm going to pull both up so you guys can see. Rep on left, real on right. Maybe a color is a little bit off. It's mainly quality control issues, and you guys can see just the quality control on both is a little bit different. Also the stitching, as you see on the rep, is a little bit more jagged. The netting is a bit different also. The netting on this is very thick, while the netting on this is thin. That replica on the left, of course. Another thing, getting into toe boxes. As you guys can see, the toe box from the inside of this shoe. Let me see if I can. The toe box from the inside of this shoe is. Wait, let me zoom in some more. It's a bit bigger than the actual authentic shoe. Let's see if I can get that. I need this one. This one right here. Alright, so you guys can see, the toe on the authentic is a lot slimmer versus the rep. Also on the inside of the tongue, you can see your Air Jordan stitched. Alright, iPhone, come on, work with me. You can see your Air Jordan stitched in right here. Very, very, thrown in. Versus this one right here, which is the authentic. You guys can see them side by side and see the difference. The Jumpman's on the backs of the shoes is also a bit different. On your rep, which is on the left, the Jumpman is a bit, he is a bit like smaller. And also the gray is a bit different. Like this gray is a light gray on the authentic, while the gray on the rep is more of a silvery metallic gray, as you guys can see. Let me see, what else was it? Oh, yeah, and the insoles too. This is the insole on the rep. You see it's gray with a red Jumpman, and then the insole on the authentic is red with a white Jumpman. Also, the collars of these shoes, you can see the rep, which is on the right. The collar, the gray is a lot lighter than on the authentic. The authentic gray is a lot darker. Throw these up here and throw these up here. But yeah, guys, that's basically it for that video. Thanks guys for watching.